Hey, Scott Austin here from Jade Puma. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do advanced customizations to the style of your calendar. So if you're on the paid plan, you have the advanced settings which you can turn on here on the settings page. And you can see I have lots of color controls for the calendar layout. But maybe there's some color control you want to go beyond that isn't available here. One example could be if we look at this calendar on the front end, the dot is white, so we have one color control for these two dots. But it looks good on the dark background. It doesn't look good on the light background. So you can use custom CSS to change one of those two dots' colors. So right now, we've got the dot right here as white. So what we're going to do is going to add custom CSS, and that's down at the bottom of the page here. We're going to add custom CSS that's going to make the one that shows up here on the modal be the brand green that we're using. So you're going to have to know CSS well to be able to use this custom CSS functionality, because you're going to have to define what your class is and then the values you want for what properties you want to set. So in this case here, I know that the class that I'm looking for is this DHXCal, and then the before actually specifies the dot, right? So I'm going to set its background color to be our brand green. Now if I save that, go back out to the front end and refresh the page, you'll see that I still have my white dot here, but here when I open it up, I now have the green dot. So even though our color controls only allow one color setting for the dot, using custom CSS, you can have different colors for the dot depending on where it's used. Another case we could use this for is maybe we want to take this time and not make it bold. So what I have to do that is figure out what class this is. So I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to hit inspect. And if you know CSS, you know how to do this. I'm going to take that class and copy that. Now I'm going to go into my custom CSS, add that class, and just put font weight 400. And now you can see my text is no longer bolded. So anything you're used to doing in CSS in your web store, you have the ability to do inside of this custom CSS section. And as you can see, you don't have to put any style brackets, HTML style code around your CSS entries. We do that for you inside of the app. So hopefully this helps you get even more customization out of your calendar. Thanks for watching.